Hello and welcome to the Train2Invest webinar on Train2Invest stock trading track record. This webinar's example, bank's fourth quarter anticipated earnings results. The understanding of the bank's financial condition and its profitability allows one to anticipate the bank's share performance in a volatile economy. We will detail our assumptions shortly. Disclaimer. Examples used in this webinar are suggestions and not recommendations. These suggestions are time-sensitive and for educational purposes only. This is not investment advice. By continuing to watch this webinar, it is deemed that you agree to the above. The TSX Financials Capped Index, stock symbol TTFS, compared with the financial institutions, specifically, the 6 major banks in Canada. These would be as follows. Number 1, Royal Bank of Canada. Stock symbol RY. Number 2, Toronto Dominion Bank. Stock symbol TD. Number 3, Bank of Montreal. Stock symbol BMO. Number 4, Bank of Nova Scotia. Stock symbol BNS. Number 5, CIBC. Stock symbol CM. Number 6, National Bank of Canada. Stock symbol NA. As seen from the chart, there is a general upward trend from mid-November, that is, there is an upward momentum for financial stocks. This trend is due to some positive economic news. For example, inflation is seen as stable and downward trending. This implies that the Bank of Canada will not raise interest rates further. Acquiring bank stocks when a pullback occurs. Reasons: banks are making a lot of money given that they charge mortgages at 8% while paying 2% on deposits. It is anticipated that there would be a soft landing in the economy as opposed to the Great Recessions touted about by the talking heads. The banks have provided substantial provisions for loan losses as required by Bank of Canada. We anticipate that the potential write-offs will be less than forecast. If true, this will leave the banks with huge cash positions. The government will be forced to solve the housing crisis as it is not politically acceptable for a housing crisis to develop in a potential election year. The global economy led by the US will cause the Canadian economy to grow as well. The banks have a captive market in Canada, that is, Canadians will pay for any losses that the banks face by the bank increasing fees, charges etc. to its clients. The pullback occurred on November 28, 2023. Here are the buy prices that were executed. November 28, Royal Bank at $116 per share. November 28, TD Bank at $82.50 per share. November 28, Bank of Montreal at $108.50 per share. November 28, CIBC at $52 per share. November 28, National Bank at $89.50 per share. November 29, Bank of Nova Scotia at $58 per share. The total number of shares purchased was approximately 500 shares. Sell execution on December 19, 2023. Here are the sell prices that were executed. Royal Bank at $133 per share. Generated $17 in profit per share. TD Bank at $84.50 per share. Generated $2 in profit per share. Bank of Montreal at $127.50 per share. Generated $19 in profit per share. CIBC at $62 per share. Generated $10 in profit per share. National Bank at $100.50 per share. Generated $11 in profit per share. Bank of Nova Scotia at $63 per share. Generated $5 in profit per share. The total gain per share was $64. 500 shares times $64 equals $32,000 in gains in just 21 days. Royal Bank of Canada, buy price $116 on November 28, 2023. Reason: technical indicators show price action oversold territory. Sell price $133 on December 19, 2023. Reason: technical indicators show price action overbought territory. Gain: $17 or a return on investment of 15% in 21 days. TD Bank, buy price $82.50 on November 28, 2023. Reason: technical indicators show price action oversold territory. Sell price $84.50 on December 19, 2023. Reason: technical indicators show price action overbought territory. Gain: $2 or a return on investment of 2.4% in 21 days. Bank of Montreal, buy price $108.50 on November 28, 2023. Reason: technical indicators show price action oversold territory. Sell price $127.50 on December 19, 2023. Reason: technical indicators show price action overbought territory. Gain: $19 or a return on investment of 17.5% in 21 days. CIBC Bank, buy price $52 on November 28, 2023. Reason: Technical indicators show price action oversold territory. Sell price $62 on December 19, 2023. Reason: technical indicators show price action overbought territory. Gain: $10 or a return on investment of 19% in 21 days. Bank of Nova Scotia. Buy price $58 on November 28, 2023. Reason: technical indicators show price action oversold territory. Sell price $63 on December 19, 2023. Reason: technical indicators show price action overbought territory. Gain: $5 or a return on investment of 7.4% in 21 days. National Bank of Canada. Buy price $89.50 on November 28, 2023. Reason: technical indicators show price action oversold territory. Sell price $100.50 on December 19, 2023. Reason: technical indicators show price action overbought territory. Gain: $11 or a return on investment of 12.3% in 21 days. Thank you for taking time to watch this webinar. This demonstrates that knowledge and education is needed to trade in stocks profitably. For more information on how to trade stocks, please go to www.train2invest.com or email admin@train2invest.com. Thank you.